Welcome to a fascinating journey through the avian wonders of Pakistan. In this video, we'll introduce you to 5 remarkable bird species that grace the skies and landscapes of this diverse country, from the vibrant plumage of the common kingfisher to the majestic presence of the black kite and the elusive Himalayan snowcock high in the mountains. We'll take you on a virtual tour of Pakistan's avian biodiversity. Join us as we explore the lives, habitats, and unique characteristics of these birds, shedding light on their importance in Pakistan's ecosystem and culture. We'll delve into their behaviors, from the agile hunting of the Peregrine Falcon to the mesmerizing aerial displays of the Indian roller. So, let's spread our wings and soar into this avian adventure.
Bird's beauty.
The common kingfisher, with its iridescent blue and orange plumage, is a stunning and iconic bird often seen near water bodies throughout Pakistan. Black kite, with its distinctive shape and dark plumage. The black kite is a common and impressive bird of prey found in various parts of Pakistan. The Himalayan Snowcock Tetragolis himalayensis is a bird species found in the high mountain regions of the Himalayas, primarily in countries like India, Nepal, and Pakistan. It is known for its striking appearance with a combination of white and gray feathers and red facial skin. The Peregrine Falcon is a bird of prey in Pakistan, known for its adaptability, incredible hunting skills, and widespread distribution. It is a protected species with populations in both natural and urban environments. The Indian roller is a bird species found in Pakistan. It is known for its striking appearance, featuring vibrant blue and turquoise plumage and a distinctive rolling flight pattern. These birds are often spotted in various regions of Pakistan. Thank you for joining me in this YouTube video, showcasing the beautiful bird diversity of Pakistan. We've had a glimpse of some incredible avian species, from the majestic Peregrine Falcon to the vibrant Indian roller. Remember, these birds are not just a part of our natural heritage, but also play a vital role in maintaining the balance of our ecosystems.
Bird's beauty.